Hi and welcome to this webinar. My name is Nima Hamidi and I'm an area sales manager here at Tasklet Factory. And I really look forward to show you a demo today of our mobile WMS solution for Business Central and for NAV. So let me shortly present Tasklet Factory as a company. We started in 2008 basically because we saw a need in the market for a user-friendly WMS solution. Our solution integrates directly with Microsoft Dynamics ERP systems. The great thing about the solution is that it's basically data collection for the ERP system. All the business logic is still inside of NAV or Business Central. But let's have a look at the demo now. So what you see here is our login screen. You need to type in the username and the password to log in. But we can actually create a barcode that we put on the warehouse worker's ID card, and then just by simply scanning a barcode, we can also log in to the scanner. But let's start by having a look at our receive functionality. So as I go into the feature, you can now see that I have a list of orders that I need to receive today in my warehouse. Before I go inside any of these orders, I want to show you that I have a filter in my top right corner where you can filter on which location you're at if you have multiple warehouses. You can also filter on expected receive date, purchase order number that you can type in or scan if you need to, and you can even filter on assigned user ID. So you can basically look at all the orders or maybe an order assigned to a specific user or mine and unassigned. But for now, I'll just click on all and then apply this filter. So as you can see, for today, I have 9 different orders. I can scroll down on the screen. This is basically purchase orders or warehouse receipt documents, which has been created in the ERP system and released to the scanner. One way that we can actually filter the orders is actually just by scanning the product that we're about to receive. So I scanned one product, and the system is now showing me that this product is in 2 different orders. So just by scanning maybe my second item, you can see this item was only in 1 order, so it went directly into the order I needed to work with. So this is a really smart and quick way to filter the orders just by scanning the product. Now that I'm inside the order, it's actually from this screen that I can work offline, because all the lines have been downloaded to the scanner and I can basically do all of my scanning offline if I were to lose internet connection, and then post at the end when I have connection again. But I'll start by receiving my first product. I'll scan the product. I'm expecting to receive 10, so I'll confirm that by clicking on the green check mark. I'll go ahead and now scan my second item. And let's say I was expecting to receive 15 when the order arrived, but there was actually only 11. So I'll type in 11 here. Now it's going to say 11 out of 15, and you can see the orange color here on the right side. Now maybe a few seconds later, I find the remaining 4. So I'll just scan the product again, and my system automatically knows that it's 4 additionally, which I need to receive. So I'll receive the additional 4 as well. My third product is lot number track. So as I scan the product barcode, the system now comes up with this extra step where I need to set the expiration date. I can click here and change it if I need to. And now the system asks me to scan the lot number. I'll go ahead and scan that and then confirm the quantity. Remember, the reason it's asking me for the lot number and expiration date is because it's been set up like that inside of the ERP system. For products with lot number, we certainly also support GS1 barcodes that contains multiple data. So actually just through one scanning, you can have both the lot number, the expiration date, and even the quantity of the product. And that makes it even easier to receive those types of products. My last product is serial number track. So as I scan the item barcode, I'll also need to scan all 3 serial numbers to receive these items. So I'll scan the first one, I'll scan the second one. If I do make a mistake and scan the same one twice, I'll get an error on the scanner that I already registered that one. So I'll go ahead and scan the correct one. And now once I've done that, the system asks me if I'm ready to post the order. I'll click yes here. And now I get the option to enter in the delivery note number. I can scan it if I have it as a barcode, or click here and then I'll be able to type it in manually as well. So now I'll go ahead and post the order. And what you'll see is the order has already posted successfully. So that means inside of NAV or Business Central, my warehouse receipt document has been posted and the purchase order has been updated. The next item I'll show you is called Locate Item. So Locate Item creates a lot of value for many of our customers because it gives you a quick overview if I scan a product where this item is placed in the warehouse. So this product is on 2 different bins. I can see the quantities as well. I'll try to scan a different product, for example, the Marabou Orange. You can see on the last line it says 0 out of 1, which basically means I have 1 physically on the bin, but 0 is available. And that's because there's probably a reservation on a sales order, which is why it says 0 out of 1 here. So you basically get the overview of where is this product placed in my warehouse, what is available, and what do I physically have on the bin. You also have the shortcuts down here where you can perform an unplanned move or an unplanned count without having to go back to the main menu. So that's it for the webinar. Thank you so much for watching. Please go to taskletfactory.com if you need more information, if you'd like to get a quote, or would like to book a personalized demo. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.